Hello everyone, you are welcome. It is simple, cheap, delicious and healthy recipe. You only need 2 eggs, 2 green bell peppers, 1 onion and a tomato. Since I knew this recipe I never stopped making for breakfast or dinner. Let's watch how to prepare this simple recipe. You can try to make it. The recipe is soft and natural. You can eat anytime you want. I add some salt and 1 tablespoon of wheat flour. Now the recipe is ready, cooked by steam and no oil or sugar added in it. We would like to hear from you in the comments below. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel for more recipes. Thank you for watching.